Hello, friends. I'm going to record our Sunday lesson number 40 today. All right, so first we're going to start by reading our sounds. Here we go. Good job. Keep going. And then we have A, O, I, E, I, U. Good job. All right, and now we're going to spell the sounds that I say. The first sound that I want you to spell on your whiteboard or your piece of paper with your marker or pencil is So go ahead and say it, and write it. Okay, so Great job, friends. Remember, we can find at the end of the word. Sometimes it's in the middle. Okay, and then our next sound is Say it with me, Go ahead and write it. And we have Good job. The next sound I want you to write is as in, book, as in book. So that is right here. 2 O's. Okay, the next sound that we're going to write is I. Okay, say it with me, I. And you should have written I, the letter I. Okay, the next sound is all. All. Say it with me, all. And go ahead and write it. And we have A-L-L, all. Okay, the next sound is ow, as in cow. Say it with me, ow. And we write O-W, ow. Very good. Now I want you to write down the long I at the end of a short word. What would the long I at the end of a short word look like? Okay, it would be a Y as in try or buy. Okay, so the the long I at the end of the word is going to be a Y. All right, we are ready to read our words. So I'm going to flash those up on the screen. I want you to say them out loud. Here we go. Should. Good job. Keep it up. Make sure you're saying all the words out loud. Give. Could. And here we go. Say the words that I underline. Hook, crook, hood, hoop, spoon, wool. calling, blower, withstand, have, frowns, fiber. Howler, overgrown, whisper, scowling, bookmark, growing. Bowling, football, ballpark, shower, live, makeshift. Go ahead and read these sentences aloud. Take a shower before you go. All right, and now we are going to spell our words. Okay, so today is actually a mastery check-in. Okay, but I'll go ahead and say the word. You're going to repeat after me, and then I want you to write down the words. If you could today, do these on a piece of paper and number them, and then take a screenshot and send it to us. That would be fabulous. Okay, the first word is enter. Say it with me, enter. Go ahead and you want to make sure you sound spell it. Enter. If you ever need to stop the video, if I'm going too fast, you can stop it and then write your word down and then restart. Okay, the second word is growl. Say it with me, growl. Then you want to spell it on with touching your fingers. Ow, oh, growl. Good job. Okay, the next word is glow. Say it with me, glow. Let's go ahead and spell it. G-O-O, glow. The next word is term. Say it with me, term. You spell it term. Keep going, you're doing great. Okay, the next word is which. I'm going to put that in a sentence for you because it's a homophone. So, which one do you prefer? Sour Patch Kids or Swedish Fish? All right, say it with me, which, and we spell it w-i-c-h. Which. Okay, your next word is chow. Say it with me, chow. We spell it ch-ow. Chow. Your next word is serve. Say it with me, serve. We spell it s-er-v. Serve. Okay, your next word is snowflake. That's a compound word, so it's going to be two words put together to make one. Say it with me, snowflake, and spell it S-N-O-F-L-A-K. Very good. Okay, your next word is why. Why do you want to do that? Say it with me, why. And we spell it W-I. There's that long I at the end of that word. Okay, your next word is shower. Say it with me, shower. We spell it sh-ow-er. Shower. Your next word is a sight word we've had. Any. Say it with me. Annie. We spell it. Oh, this one we just know. Sorry. We don't use our sound spelling on our sight words. All right. Your next word is cube. Say it with me. Cube. We spell it C-U-B. Okay, for the next words, I'm going to say the word and repeat it with you, and then I want you to use your own sound spelling before you spell these words. The next word is jerk. Say it with me, jerk. Go ahead and write it. All right. Your next word is showing. That's got the ing at the end. I want you to think of what letters make up that ing. Showing. Say it with me. Showing. Okay, your next word is when. Say it with me. When. W-N. Your next word is herself. So that would be a compound word, two words put together. Say it with me. Herself. Okay, we have another sight word. Ben. This is not like the name Ben. This is I have been working very hard. Ben. The next word is a color word. If you remember back to our color songs in kindergarten that we learned, or maybe first grade. All right, the next word is brown. Say it with me, brown. It has that ow in it. Okay, your next word is elbow. Say it with me, elbow. And go ahead and write it down. Another O. It's got another ow. And then your last word is longer. Say it with me. Longer. It's got that at the end. All right. Nice job, friends. If you need to go back and listen to any of those words to write them down, we would love for you to take a screenshot either in Seesaw or just have your parents take a screenshot of how you spelled all of those words for our mastery check-in. All right, have a great day, friends. Good work. Bye.